Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn Innovatively with me. Today I will discuss how to add a cytometer in BD Research Cloud. First we need to go to the BD Research Cloud and then log into my account. After logging in, we need to click on Cytometers. Here under my cytometer, all the cytometers that we have already added, it will be displayed. I have not added any cytometer yet. Under system cytometers, all the BD cytometers available in the system will be displayed. So since I want to add a cytometer, I am clicking on InDesign. From here, we can add the required cytometer and add it to my cytometer. To create a new cytometer, there are three options for adding a cytometer. The first option is you can add a cytometer by importing the fax diva file of a BD cytometer. Then the second is you can add a cytometer that has been made publicly available by another user. Let's suppose I want to add a Beckman's Cytoflex cytometer. I can search for the cytometer. Here we can see the Cytoflex in the search result. If I want to add this cytometer, I simply click on link. This cytometer is now available under my cytometer. And third, you can add a cytometer manually by entering all the required configuration detail of the cytometer. If I want to add a cytometer manually, it is important to have the cytometer's complete configuration details. For example, if I want to add a Beckman cytometer, for that I can visit the Beckman website and under product, I will go to instruments and then select flow cytometry. Here we can see the different flow cytometers available for clinical purpose or research purpose or other applications. Since I want to add a research flow cytometry, I will select research flow cytometry. This will show all the available cytometers. Suppose I want to add the Cytoflex, I will select Cytoflex and the product page will open. If I scroll down, I can see the same cytometer is available with different configuration. For this example, I want to add the Cytoflex with 8 detector and 2 lasers, 5 blue and 3 red. Now I will click on the technical document for Cytoflex and then check the flow cytometry and instrument IFU. This will download a PDF containing the technical specification and configuration detail of the cytometer. From this PDF, we need to find the configuration of the 5 blue and 3 red detectors and enter these detail in the laser and detectors section in the BD Research Cloud. Is here. In the BD Research Cloud, vendor, model, Cytoplex, and then configuration name. Next, I will add the location. For this example, I am adding Varanasi BHU. After that, I will enter the details of the lasers and detectors, which is provided in the PDF file, that is 5 blue and 3 lasers. For example, while adding the red laser, I will enter its wavelength and power as provided in the technical PDF. I am entering the wavelength from the highest to the lowest. That is, for red, I will start from the 780, then 712, and then 660. So for red laser, I am first adding 780 and 60. Once all the configuration details have been entered, I will select publicly discoverable and then click on add cytometer. And then publish the cytometer. So after publishing, you can see the cytometer Cytoflex in your My Cytometer section. You can also add a BD cytometer that is not available in BDRC, or you can want to modify the configuration of existing BD cytometer. For example, I want to change the configuration of the BD fax caliber. I can first select it as the base cytometer. Then I'm searching for the caliber, fax caliber, and here is the configuration. So if I want to change the configuration, change to delete or remove the red laser, and from here also, and then click here and then add cytometer. And you can publish this cytometer. And here you all can see that this cytometer is also added in my cytometers section. Once you have added the cytometer, you can create a panel for that cytometer. Here I am going to the panels and then create panel, designate a project name, then start. And we have modified the fax caliber cytometer by changing its configuration. So you can select this cytometer and you can start the panel designing. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.